Love you, go over there with Sam. Here, go.
She doesn't want to.
All right, here, take me.
Bad.
Say hi. Say hey. You want to fly?
Can't
Stretch your
breathe.
wings. Taking the birds for a walk. There you go. There you go. Where are you going today, huh? Huh? Let's go this way. Come on, babies. You want to go to a tree now? No? You old lazy bird. Ah ha ha. There you go.
Still there's no doing
Yeah.
anything.
That's
Ow.
Sam's baby right there. That's Sam's big boy. Daddy. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, you're on Candy Camera.
What?
Say hey.
What's Candy Camera?
That's an old movie, old show. It's like one of those shows where you don't know you're on camera. This was
Oh,
back
like
in the
Hell Days stuff.
70s. Uh-huh. Smile, you're on Candy Camera.
What?
Yeah, it's like you've been punked, but in a more
Oh.
sophisticated way.
Shouldn't have didn't blow up anything this
No,
time?
they didn't blow anything up.
Oh.
Like, what the heck?
You get on swing.
Go ahead.
We
Oh, well,
both
look at
on.
all that dust flying.
No, that was too bad.
Oh, go ahead.
Both get on swing.
Oh, that's going to be good for you, too. They have? Oh. All right, go ahead and swing the birds. Who dropped this? Oh, all right, go ahead.
I thought you were going to get on the swing too.
No, you have the bird, so you swing them.
Oh, this like the bird cam.
Yeah, this is the bird cam. Swing up high.
Hi.
Uh-huh, let me see. They're going to...
I don't think they'll go anywhere. What is Daddy doing?
Nothing but looking, sitting. Okay, there's Lovey. You don't want to swing? Okay, Daddy wants you to stop.
Okay, Daddy. Good job.
There you go. Big boy. All right, let's walk down here.